Hi guys, Noah Evans here. Today I'm going to be showing you my Business Essentials keyword project. First, we'll start with a brick and mortar building. A brick and mortar is a business that operates out of a small building. It's not like a big business like Walmart or Burger King. It's like a small business that usually operates face to face with their consumers. They like to They don't go like really big. They usually operate at a small place or like a virtual shop. A lot of them are usually online. And as you can see here, these are some retail shops in London. All of the buildings in the walls are the brick and mortar buildings. Builders. That's self-explanatory. Builders are workers employed in the built environment. They are what builds the buildings. They are instructed with maintenance work, repairs, construction, design, planning, all that stuff. And also demolition, dismantling, decommissioning. They're like the main reason these buildings are businesses. It's pretty self-explanatory. Right here we got a construction site in Germany, 2017. Construction site. Next we got a consumer. A consumer is a person or peoples that purchase the goods or services from a company. So say you walk down to your local Burger King, order a Whopper. They give you the Whopper. You're the consumer. That's what a consumer is. A consumer is the person that buys from the manufacturer. And here's the cycle of how it goes. Consumer gets the product. The product is from the retail. And the cycle keeps going. Next, e-tailers. An e-tailer, also known as an e-commerce or an e-shop, is an online shop like Amazon, Walmart.com, eBay, Temu, or other places, Shein. They operate over the internet with like technology, like card processing tech, website design, online marketing, everything listed here. E-tailers are the same thing as an online internet shopping. Right here, Michael Aldrich, he is the originator of online shopping in the 1980s. Next, the manufacturer. So the manufacturer is a business that produces the goods. Like, let's see, the factories that make the chicken nuggets for Burger King. The manufacturers that build the cars for Tesla. The manufacturers that build the, let's see, they build the bells for cows, the cowbells. Manufacturers have like large facilities, factories, buildings that's how they can mass produce this product they're building. They produce with these goods using raw materials such as metal, plastics, fabrics, and other materials. I'll get to more of that later. Manufacturers often use machines and tools to produce goods in large quantities. Machines, cranes, claws, robots, all that stuff. Then they also employ workers to operate said machines and perform other tasks in the manufacturing process. Manufacturing of a car by Tesla, right here. Next, producers. This is not the same as manufacturers. Producers are a company or individual who creates goods or services or other products for value of sale to consumers or other businesses. A producer may either be a primary producer who extracts the raw materials from nature, such as farmers, miners, or loggers, or a secondary producer who transforms raw materials into finished goods, which is the manufacturer. Manufacturers are secondary producers. It's labor, technology, natural resources, who creates the products. And secondary producer right here, the transformation of raw materials into goods. Here is the contributions of a company's stakeholders in these boxes here. Next, raw goods producer. A raw goods producer is like farmers, loggers, hunters, miners. They're the ones that get the fish, timber, charcoal, iron, metal, gas from nature to make these raw materials that can be shipped to the producer, to be sent to the manufacturer. Farmer, miner, logger, all these companies that extract these raw materials on a larger scale, like slaughterhouses, coal mines, oil rigs, like the gas facilities, I think is what they're called. And here's a picture of some cows being transported by the company. Next, retailers. You know, we all know Walmart, Costco, Target, Burger King, all these places. Retailers are an organization that purchases goods from manufacturers or wholesalers. Wholesalers are people that make said products, and they sell them to the customers directly. You know, at Walmart they have the shelves, that's the direct sale. Retailers can operate in stores or online. Walmart.com. Shein, that's all online. Target, they have a website. All these places have websites. They may sell a specific type of product, such as groceries, electronics, furniture, or clothing. Retailers often manage inventory, pricing, marketing, and customer service in order to give customers a good shopping experience. What they mean is, in the website they have customer service brackets that people can write their reviews, help improve the business. So, right here is just a Walmart. No context needed, just a Walmart. Service business. A service business is an organization that provides services to customers rather than goods. Law firms, banks, tech support, Delta Airlines, all them places. They can include a wide range of activities such as cleaning, consulting, coaching, engineering, finance, healthcare, legal, marketing, IT, travel, etc. Service businesses typically require an expertise of skills of trade professions, which means college or background experience in said field that you're going to. Service can be marketed through locations or online platforms. A lot of law firms have online websites, attorneys, and IT. They specialize in websites. So, right here, it's a picture of a law firm. So, picture of a law firm. Next, social responsibility. Social responsibility is the ethics that a company uses to treat the workers, the community with respect, and how their product will impact the environment, and how they act ethically towards stakeholders, customers, consumers, all them people, suppliers, and the environment. Social responsibility also involves taking responsibility for the impacts of your business. Say you work nuclear power plant and you do dumping that you shouldn't do, and the contaminated waste gets into the water. When that happens, you have to take responsibility for what you've done to the water in the area and how you can fix it. Social responsibility also takes responsibility for the impacts of your business, working to mitigate any negative effects while promoting positive outcomes, and being transparent with stakeholders and the initiatives taken by the company. Here's a scale of the ethics that I found. Trade industries. Trade industries are businesses that are engaged in buying and selling the goods or services. Shit, like the giant cargo ships, cranes are using this part. These industries include wholesale and retail trade, transportation, and warehousing. People use warehouses. Burger King uses warehouses to store their food and stuff before it's transported to the locations. Wholesale, Costco, Sam's Club. Transportation, people use warehouses. It carries the my bad. Transportation carries the product to the warehouse, to the consumer, not to the consumer, to the manufacturer, to the consumer. These activities are crucial for the function of the economy, as they facilitate the distribution of goods and services to the users, including consumers and businesses. Here's a dockside unloading area with the boxes, cargo boxes, with the cranes in the back. Next, wholesalers. Wholesalers are companies that buy products in bulk from manufacturers and resells them to retailers. Again, Costco, Sam's Club, etc., who in turn sell the products to consumers. Wholesalers do not sell the products directly to customers, as they act as intermediaries between the manufacturers and the retailers. So that pretty much means they would never sell something individually. Like, say you walk into a Sam's Club, you see, you walked in there and you try to get a Dr. Pepper. You walk down the aisle, the canned drink aisle, you see boxes this big for Dr. Peppers, $46. That's wholesale. They will never break it apart and sell it for unit price. They will only sell it in the bulk price. They are responsible for managing inventory, distribution, and customer relationships. In this industry, such as food and beverage, wholesalers can also provide digital services in logistics, marketing, and supply chain management. Here's a farmer's market, I believe somewhere in Dubai, I believe is where I found it at. And thank you guys for watching. Yeah.